Hi guys, so if you are seeing this type of service park assistant system message on the dashboard, don't assume the entire parking assistant system has failed. In many cases, the fix is much more simpler than most of the drivers expect. So in this video, we are going to be finding out what's actually causing it. So the very first thing that you should do is to simply inspect the parking sensor, which is located in the front and the rear bumper. So if these are covered with dirt, mud, snow, water sports, or road grime, the system may not be able to detect the obstacles properly. So in this situation, you just have to do nothing but to just simply clean all the sensors and check if the warning disappears. Now, a weak battery or the low system voltage can also sometimes cause the park assistant module to disable itself temporarily. So if you have recently experienced battery problems or jump started the vehicle, you can just simply check the battery conditions before replacing any of the components. Now with the ignition on and park assist activated, you just have to also place your ear close to the each sensor. A warning sensor often produces a faint clicking sound. If one sensor is silent while the others are clicking, you have likely found the faulty sensor. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.